How to turn off Tubi TV notifications on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can turn off notifications for the Tubi TV app on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you are someone who uses the Tubi TV application as a regular and then you get quite a few of annoying notifications that you might not want to receive from the Tubi TV app, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is you have to just go ahead and then basically launch the settings application here, and once you launch settings you can just go to notifications, and when you go to notifications, under notification style you want to simply look for the Tubi TV application. So just scroll down to the T section and you'll find Tubi here, tap on it and turn off the toggle from the top to disable notifications. Once you do that, you can just come back, and then again what you want to do is you want to simply go to this option here known as series suggestions and tap on it. Under series suggestions, again look for the Tubi application here, and once you look for Tubi TV app, you want to simply make sure to turn off the toggle next to the Tubi application here, and once done, Tubi TV notifications will get successfully turned off. This way you can turn off Tubi notifications on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.